ratio and proportion. So today we'll start with continuing with the ratio proportion. Which number which number which find the number find the number which bears same ratio to 7 by 33 that 8 by 21 does to 4 by 9 to 4 by, meaning by we have to find which number. So let the number is x. Ratio 7 by 33 should be equal to 8 by 21 ratio 4 by 9. Now we will use the formula of, we can use the formula of product of means, or we can use ratio x by 7 into 33 is equal to 8 by 21 into 4 by 9. So x is equal to 8 by 9 into 7 by 21 into 4 into 33. This is 3, this is 3, this is 11, this is 2. So x will be 2 by. See, you have to read the question carefully. That's it. Two numbers are in ratio 7 ratio 11. Two numbers are in ratio 7 ratio 11. If 7 is added to each of number, the ratio becomes 2 ratio 3. Find numbers. So first of all, read the question carefully. Two numbers are in ratio 7 ratio 11. So the numbers are 7x and 11x. The ratio is 7 ratio 11. If 7 is added to both the numbers, it becomes 2 by 3. Find the numbers. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, this is 3 into 7x plus 7 is equal to 2 into 11x plus 7. 21x plus 21 is equal to 22x plus 14. So x is equal to 7. So the numbers are 7x, 7 into 7, 49, 11x, 11 into 7, 77. So two numbers are 49 and 77. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a sum of money is divided. A sum of money is divided in a ratio 3 ratio 5 if the larger part is 3125, find the smaller part. So now first let's understand sum of money is to be divided in 3 ratio 5. 3 ratio 5. Here the larger is 5. So larger part is 3 to 5. Find the smaller. X is equal to 3 into 3125 divided by 5. This will be 625, 1875. Question number 4. Question number 4 is when the fare of a certain journey of an airline was increased in ratio 5:7. When the fare of a certain journey by an airline was increased in ratio 5:7. That means earlier it was 5, now it has increased to 7. The cost of ticket becomes 7105. Find increase in fare. It's very simple. That means earlier if it was spending 5 rupees, now he is spending 7. Or if now he is spending 5 by 7 is equal to x by 7105. X is equal to 5 into 7105 by 7. 7 ones are 7. It is 0. Again 7 ones are 7 and 1 5. So it will be 5075. What was the increase? So what was the increase? Increase was 7105 minus 5075. This is 0302 2030. Question number 5. Question number 5 is question number 5 was divide 170 into 3:7. Divide 170 in the ratio 3:7. So that means 3x plus 7x is equal to 170. 10x is equal to 170. X is equal to 17. The first number was 3x, second was 7x. 3 into 17 is 51 and 7 into 17 919, right? So these are two answers. Question number 6. Divide 581. Divide 581 among 3 children. 3 children in the ratio 1 by 4 ratio 1 by 3 ratio 7 by 8. So again it's very simple. So what we'll do, it will be 4 5 by 4 x plus 3 4 by 3x plus 7 by 8x is equal to 581. LCM 24 6 30x 8 32x 4 28x is equal to 581 10 0 5 and 3 8 and 1 9. Tx 8 336 to 8 and 1 9. Tx is equal to 581 by 20 by into 24 by 90. So x is equal to 581 into 4 by 90. So we can cut by 3. It will be 8 and it will be 30. 581. 581. 32, 21. Oh, this is 21. 21x. So this will be 83. So it will be 83x. It will be 24 by 83. So when you will cut it, 83 into 5. 581 by 83 7. It will be by 7. 28 188. X will be 188. So the first value was 5 by 4x. Second value was 4 by 3x. 7 by 8x. 5 by 4 into 188. So 188, it will be 4 4 the 16, 7. So this will be 4 4 the 16 and this is 28 5. This will be 5 and 4 20 235. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into 188. So 168. I'm really sorry guys. I know sometimes the calculation get messy. So it is 168. 168 7 by 168. So this will be cut by, this will be 42, this will be 210, this is 56, this will be 224, and this will be 81, this will be 7, sorry, it will be 21, it will be 147 and comes to be 581. Thanks.